Hello everyone, welcome to English LSRW. In this video, we are going to see about magic E words. That is, what is magic E words and how this magic E changes the sound of a word. We are going to see all this. Shall we move to the video? Yes. First, let us see about what is magic E. Magic E or silent E lengthens the previous vowel sound when it comes at the end of a word. We can also say it as hop E. So, when a word has a vowel and a consonant plus E, this magic E changes the sound of the previous vowel, that is preceding vowel. It will change the sound of the previous vowel. Let us see in detail. That is, this magic key changes the phonetic sound of the letter into alphabet sound. So you all know the phonetic sound of the alphabet, especially vowels. Here I have given the 5 vowels. The phonetic sound of the vowel is A says A, E says A, I says E, O says O, U says E. So these are the phonetic sound of the alphabet. But when this magic key comes and it joins to the word, this A sound change into A sound change into E sound change into I, O sound change into O, and A sound changes into U. Let us see some examples for each and every vowel. First, let us see the words which has the vowel A. Can, cane. So you can see here the sound of this word can is k, a, n, can. So here this a changes into a, k, a, n. There is no sound for this vowel e. So k, a, n, cane. So this magic key changes the sound of the previous vowel and it will become as silent letter. So let us see some more examples for these magic E with vowel A. Cap, cape. Dam, dame. Fad, fade. Fat, fate. Gap, gape. Hat, hate. Mat, mate. Tap, tape. Rat, rate. Let us see few more examples. 8. Here, if there is no E, we will pronounce it as at, at. So if you are adding E to the word at, this A will become as A, eight, eight, eight. Date, gate. Hate, gave, save, brave, shave, face, lace, space. So these are all the examples for magic key with vowel A. Now we are going to see examples for magic E with vowel I. Bit, bite. So let me explain this. Here the phonetic sound of the word bit is b-e-t, bit. So this E will changes into I. So b-i-t, bite. B-i-t, bite. So this E doesn't have any sound. It will become as silent. So bit, bite. Dim, dime. Fin, fine. Hid, hide. Kit, kite. Pin, pine. Pip, pipe. Rit, ride. Sin, sign. Sit, sight. Let us see few more examples with this vowel I. Ice, mice, rice, nice, tide, wide, knife, life, wife, mine, 9, So these are all the examples for vowel I with magic E. Now let us see magic E words with vowel O. Cot, code. So here I am going to explain you the phonetic sound of the word cot. D, cod. Here it will become as this will become as O. D. D. Code. This E will become as silent. So cod, code. Con, cone. Cop, cope. Hop, hope. Lob, lobe. Mod, mode. Mop, mope. Nod, node. Tot, tote. Rob, robe. Let us see few more examples in this magic E words with vowel O. Globe, coke, joke, smoke, mole, pole, stole, home, roam, bone, cone. So these are all the examples for magic E words with vowel O. Now let us see magic E words with vowel U. There are not so many words with magic E words with vowel U. Only few words are there with vowel U in this magic E words. Let us see those. Cut, cute. So here cut. Here this will become as U. Cute. Cute. As usual, this E will become as silent. Tub, tube. Cub, cube. Us, use. So here us will become as use. Hug, huge. Fuse. Muse. Mute, tune, rule, June, brute, flute. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.